How to use ChatGPT for writing emails. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for writing emails. So first of all, just open ChatGPT. So in order to write effective emails, all you have to do is just give a very unique and to the point prompt to the ChatGPT, writing down all the requirements and details, specifying word limits and your requirement, and just write your prompt right here on the send a message bar and then click on send. As you can see that I have given this prompt to ChatGPT that write a professional email for a marketing campaign on women's healthcare product for XYZ company. And as you can see that ChatGPT has written this amazing email for me that I can use for my email marketing campaign. So this is how you can use ChatGPT for writing emails. I hope you. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.